Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Neha Mava. So today I am here with the another video, and that is on the criminal conspiracy under section 120A and 120B of IPC. So without wasting time, let's get started. So criminal conspiracy is contained in your chapter number 5A, section 120A and 120B. In 120A, we gonna study the definition of the criminal conspiracy, and in 120B, we gonna study the punishments of the criminal conspiracy. Now, what is actually a criminal conspiracy is? Criminal conspiracy means when two or more people consent to do something that is illegal, or if it is legal but it is done through the illegal means, it is said that they have committed the offense of the criminal conspiracy. So criminal conspiracy means when the intention of the person is to commit a crime that is not a legal and that is illegal act, and which is strictly forbidden by law, and it is done not only through by a single person but a group of person, maybe a 5 people, maybe 4 people, but it should be more than 2 people. Okay, then we have a criminal conspiracy not only consists of the agreement or meeting of intention. हमने इसको धीरे धीरे करके पढ़ना है. A criminal conspiracy not only consists of the agreement or meeting of intention or mind between two or more than two person, but an actual commission of an unlawful act by unlawful means. So criminal conspiracy does not only means that you have made the agreement and you have intention to commit a crime, but it will get only be completed when you actually do that particular thing, when you will actually perform that, or when you will actually commit that kind of unlawful act through the unlawful means, then only it will be considered that you have done the criminal conspiracy. So it means that only the agreement or the intention is not enough to make a person liable for the criminal conspiracy, but should done something or the illegal unlawful things, or it should be done through the illegal means. So actually criminal conspiracy means when the person has done something illegal that is strictly forbidden by the law, that is strictly uh, uh, against the public provisions or against the public policy, but that act is not only committed by the single person, but that act is committed by more than two person, maybe a group of person which consists of 5 persons, or maybe a group of more than 5 or 6 persons. Still only then they will be considered they have committed the criminal conspiracy here. Now, there is a case of Bimbidhar Pradhan versus state of Orissa. It is the case of year 1956, in which Supreme Court has held that it is not the obligatory part, or it is not the obligatory to prove, or it is they say that if a person, if we want to convict someone under the charge or under the offense of criminal conspiracy, so if there is 2 persons, then also it will be considered that they have done the criminal conspiracy. So इन्होंने बोला क्या यहाँ कि the Supreme Court held that one person could also be convicted for the offense of conspiracy. It is not that there should be a group of 5 person to commit a conspiracy. No, a single person can also be convicted under the offense of the conspiracy. So it is sufficient for the court to prove that if there's 2 persons also, they can legally be convicted for the criminal conspiracy. There is no need that there should be a 5 person of people. If it is so, for example, there's a group of a 5 person, they have committed a crime and 3 escaped, 3 ran away, 2 left behind. So 2 can be convicted for the offense of the conspiracy, and the remaining 3, they can also be held after some time they can also be held, and they can also be convicted for that conspiracy. Then we have another case here, the state of Tamil Nadu versus Nalini, 1999. Commonly it is known as the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. It was held that corporation of the accused with the main accused, or even his knowledge regarding the conspiracy, would not make the accused liable for conspiracy, as the agreement is sine qua non for the offense of the conspiracy. Then we have some of the essential ingredients of the criminal conspiracy here. So there should be an agreement between 2 or more persons, right? The minimum number of the people for committing, or there should be the minimum how much how many members should be there, how many persons should be there to come into the agreement? 2. So there should be the agreement between 2 person, there can be more, but the minimum number of person to coming into the agreement is two. More than can be anything. Now such an agreement should be done to do the illegal act. Okay, first of all, in criminal conspiracy there should be the agreement which should be prepared, which is to be prepared, which needs to be prepared, among the people or among the group. So another thing here, that agreement which has been prepared, that agreement should be of, committing the illegal act. But if it is a legal act, but it should be through the illegal means. Okay, first of all, the act should be illegal. Secondly, if the act is legal, then it should be done through the illegal means. Okay, so some way or somehow, one way or the another, your act, whatever you are doing, is illegal actually. Okay, then we have agreement between two or more persons. So there must be an agreement between two or more person. If the conspirators commit several offenses in accordance with the criminal conspiracy, all of them shall be liable for the offense, even if some of them did not actively participate in the commission of the offense. It doesn't matter that person has um, uh, participated in that offense, but the main thing is, when at the time of plotting all the or plotting all uh, the offense, or plotting all the scenario of the offense, that person was available at that point of time, still he will be considered as the offender. And then we have the illegal act. To make a person liable for the criminal conspiracy, agreement must be to do any act which is either forbidden by the law or is opposed to the public policy, as I told you earlier also. Then we have legal act by the illegal means. It doesn't matter whether you have done the illegal act. It doesn't matter whether you have done an act that is legal, but you have done that through illegal means. So it is one same way, by one way or the another. So when any act is done, even though it is lawful but done by the illegal means, it constitutes the criminal conspiracy. So there's a case of Venkat Krishnan versus CBI, in which it was outlined, the special ingredients here, that an agreement between two or more persons should be there in order to constitute a criminal conspiracy. Agreement must be related to doing or causing to be done either the illegal act, or if it is or if it is a legal act, but it should be done through the illegal means. Third, the agreement may be expressed or implied, or partly expressed or partly implied. Fourth, as soon as the agreement is made, conspiracy arises and the offense is committed. Right. And fifth, the same offenses continue to be committed so long as the combination persists. Then we have the punishment for the criminal conspiracy. So it's not a very big chapter to be read. It is generally a very small chapter which consists of only two sections, 120A and 120B. It is just not in this chapter there is nothing more to explain about criminal conspiracy. Whatever I have given you in this video, that is more than sufficient for you to study. Now in section 120B we have the punishment for the criminal conspiracy. So where a person conspires to commit an offense that is punishable either by the death or the imprisonment of life by rigorous imprisonment, which is for a term of 2 years or more, no express provision is made in the code for its punishment, then he will be liable for punishment in the same manner as if he had abetted for such an offense. So offenses which are not punishable with the death, imprisonment for life, or rigorous imprisonment for a term of 2 years or more, such a person will be punished with imprisonment for either description of 6 months or a fine, or both, depending upon how much how much the nature of the offense is serious. So it has been observed that the punishment in the criminal conspiracy depends upon the nature, depends upon the seriousness of that crime. If the nature of the crime is much serious, then there will be more punishment for it. Otherwise there may be the fine, or there may be the imprisonment of a 6 year or less than that. So uh, after that, this is all about the criminal conspiracy. criminal conspiracy is not a very big chapter. It consists of only one section, that is 120. Just it consists of 120A and 120B. So there is nothing more about this in the chapter. Whatever I have given you in this video, whatever I have explained in this video, that is more than sufficient, because criminal conspiracy generally comes in your exams of 5 marks, not more than that. बट जितना मैंने इस वीडियो में आपको करवाया है दैट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. इतना भी अगर आप करोगे दैट इज वेरी वेल डन, हो जाएगा आराम से. So I hope you all like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and like this video. And if you want to know something, if you want me to do something, to start something new or to start on different subjects, please comment below so that I can read your messages and I can get your the things you want me to teach you. तो वो मैं आपको करवाने के लिए तैयार हूँ. So please subscribe to my channel and I hope you all like my video. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good day.